Welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the world of agriculture and unveiling the top 7 profitable crops for small farms. If you're looking to maximize your farm's potential and revenue, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Number 7. Bamboo. Last but not least, at number 7, we have bamboo. This versatile and fast-growing plant is not just for pandas. Used in construction, furniture, and crafts, bamboo can be harvested within a few years of planting, making it a potentially lucrative crop for small farms seeking diverse revenue streams. Number 6. Garlic. At number 6, we have garlic, a pungent and flavorful vegetable that's a staple in many cuisines. Its ease of cultivation and storage, garlic is a profitable cash crop that comes with various health benefits, a must-have for small farms looking for a reliable income source. Number 5. Heirloom tomatoes. Coming in at number 5, we have heirloom tomatoes. These unique and flavorful tomatoes are a favorite among foodies and home gardeners. With a higher market price compared to conventional tomatoes, growing heirloom varieties can potentially boost your farm's profitability. Number 4. Specialty herbs. Diving into niche markets at number 4, specialty herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro are highly sought after for both culinary and medicinal uses. By focusing on these herbs, you can cater to a specialized market and charge premium prices for your high-quality products. Number 3. Microgreens. At number 3, we have microgreens, the young, tender greens that are a hit among health-conscious consumers and upscale restaurants. These can be grown quickly and in small spaces, making them an ideal cash crop for small farms looking for quick returns. Number 2. Gourmet mushrooms. Next up at number 2, we have gourmet mushrooms. Oyster and shiitake mushrooms are in high demand among chefs and food enthusiasts. The best part? You can grow them indoors, utilizing otherwise unused space on your farm. A unique and lucrative addition to your agricultural portfolio. Number 1. Lavender. Number 1 on our list is lavender. This fragrant herb is not just a delight to the senses, it's also a cash crop for small farms. Its essential oil is a sought-after ingredient in cosmetics, perfumes, and cleaning products. With easy cultivation and low maintenance, lavender can turn your farm into a profitable venture.